What's going on, everyone? I'm Andrew with Camper Kingdom, and today we're going to be viewing this brand new 2022 Forest River Heritage Glen. And say hello to Sadie. She's going to join us as well. Forest River Heritage Glen model 270FKS. Front kitchen with a slide, bedroom slide with a king-size bed in the back, washer and dryer connections, and just several other great features for a couple. Sleeping room only for two. But we're going to start on the outside of the coach, going over the different weights, the specs, and dimensions before heading inside. So if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Hit that subscribe button down below, and let's get started. So tell me, what's your honest opinion about the Heritage Glen? Do you like it? Yeah? We're coming out you 33 feet, 9 inches of length, with 2 total slides. This is 2022 Forest River Heritage Glen model 270FKS. The FK stands for front kitchen, S stands for slide. Driveway as this model currently sits is 7,780 pounds with a gross vehicle weight rating of 9,925 pounds. And speaking of weight, here on the ball of your truck, hitch weight on this model, 1,125 pounds. So make sure you're within the load and tow capacity of your truck. This is not half-ton towable. Please don't think so. Automotive grade windshield on the front with your docking lights built over here on the side, and they have given you some sort of sheet metal on the front, almost like a diamond plate, maybe to assist with some of the different road debris. Coming standard this year on this coach, up on the roof is a 100-watt solar panel, a 30-amp charger in the door, which sends over a trickle charge to the house battery, keeping all the 12-volt charged. 2 air conditioning units with an outdoor kitchen. And one thing I wish they would improve on is, you notice the door. It's a high wind day. They could have easily placed a magnet back here to hold this out of the way. Speaking of winds, check out the door. It's trying to blow, but it's not. Gust of upwards of 15 miles an hour here today. We're expecting a storm to come through. Friction hinge entry door. You get about 6 feet tall on entryway, 30 inches wide. It's got the step above steps. These do flip up and inside the coach, and they have the fully adjustable legs on the bottom there. Fully enclosed underbelly with heated holding tanks. Check out the spread of the axles. 42-inch spread compared to some of its competitors, which only do a 24-inch. And Sadie's had enough. She's going inside. She's done for the day. TV connection is found over here underneath this nice big 50-foot awning. TV connection is there with a cable connections power down there. That's going to be a 6-gallon gas or electric hot water heater. A 15-foot awning, LED lights underneath, outdoor speakers. And I call this a Texas-sized storage compartment. It's pretty big, just to be honest. You do have another access port from the back. Slam latch doors, and see, there's the magnet. They should have placed the same thing on that front kitchen up there in the front. 4x4 tubular bumper on the back, which is great for storing all of your sewer lines once you're finished camping. Fully walkable roof with a 3/8 decking. Blind side camera prep. All your water lines are connected to this water management system here. So city water, fresh tank, black tank fill, all found on the back of the coach with your park cable connections as well. So if you have cable at your park, that's where it's going to be connecting at. Power connections found on the back. Fully laminated, vacuum bonded sidewall slides. And let's talk sewer connections. You're going to have 2 different ones. First one's found behind the tire. That's a gray and a black, which is because the bathroom being in the middle, plus the washer and dryer connections up here in the front. This is going to be a gray coming off the front kitchen model. Rack and pinion slides. Up here in this small little compartment on the front is where their house, the 30-amp charger plus the battery disconnect switch, and there's a light switch back over there, which are going to control these 2 massive LED lights in the front. It really does make finding your camper that much easier when you're inside these campgrounds. Take a closer look at the outdoor kitchen though. I forgot to point out the spray nozzle. These things are rather cool. Only cold water, but they will stretch out upwards of 10-15 feet. This coach is also stabilized by 4 electric jacks. One of these found on each of the corner, and they're controlled by just a simple little electric knob. Only going to go down to a fill is about 10 pounds of pressure, then it will stop. only used to stabilize the coach. So you're still gonna have to place it on somewhat of a level ground. It does not have fully automatic leveling, but electric jacks all the way around. Here inside model 270FKS, front kitchen floor plan with 2 total slides. Total exterior length was 33 feet 9 inches with around 16 feet of walk around space from the bedroom door all the way up here to the front of the cabinet. So 16 feet of walk around space. 10.7 cubic inch, 12 volt refrigerator, and this does work off that built-in 100 watt solar panel found on the roof. Furrion oven with maybe enough room for a pan of biscuits. 3 burners on the top. Low profile Furrion hood vent with a standard size microwave by Furrion. One thing I wish manufacturers would change or possibly improve on, in my opinion, if you're going to design a coach around a kitchen, your appliances should be top notch. They should stand out more than everybody else. Upgrade your appliances, maybe to more residential type on a front kitchen model. That's just my opinion. What do you guys think? Tell me down below. Press membrane countertops. And this is just a hard plastic wrapped over the Formica material, preventing it from swelling with this stainless steel drop-in sink. That's rather nice. That's an upgrade for a nicer kitchen. Some additional storage found over that window as well, with a glass accent. Pretty deep cabinets as well. All the windows inside the model are safety glass with the valance on both sides of the window. You have the pull down shades as well. And we ordered this coach for a couple. We opted with theater seats instead of the sleeper sofa, making this, in my opinion, almost the perfect couples coach. Freestanding table with 2 chairs, and you have some carpet inside the Heritage Glen model right there inside the slide, plus back here in the bathroom, excuse me, the bedroom area. 32-inch gray stone fireplace, producing around 5,000 BTUs of heat, but if you don't camp in the winter, you can turn that off like I have it now, just utilizing the lights. 50-inch TV, and that's going to be your Jensen soundbar there. Check out where they hid in the pantry at. Kind of tucked over here by the door, almost floor to ceiling, but plenty of space for full-timers to have more of a full-time coach, you know, kind of pantry. All the controls for your slide operations and your awnings found right here inside the door. Your tank monitoring station, even your tank heaters found right here with that cool little coat rack. Heading to the back, we're going to go over the bedroom first before going over this really cool bathroom. Coming into the bedroom, you're going to have this custom 66 by 80 king size bed in the bedroom slide. And if you're ever looking to gain the most amount of changing room in a camper, the bedroom slide is definitely going to be the way to go. Breeze windows on both sides of the bed, and they are trimmed out with a valance on both sides as well. Kind of a cloth raised headboard there. 2 LED reading lights as well. Check out the shelving. They finally did it right, adding that shelf for everyone. 110 outlets and 12 volt provided. It's going to be tucked on both sides of the bed underneath as well, but it is there. Closet in the back with a full-length mirror, and this is one impressive closet for all the ladies. Lots of hanging space, maybe, you know, shelving for some more accessories on the bottom, additional shelf provided at the top. But over here on the right, you're going to have connections for possibly a stackable washer or dryer. Those could be provided for you here at Camper Kingdom as well. Here at the foot of the bed, you're going to have 2 more additional breeze windows, blackout shades provided, TV connections in the middle there, and in between the 2 windows you could possibly mount about a 42 maybe or a 48-inch TV. And one cool little thing they've provided for you is this little hamper found there, built into the set of drawers there. Coming back around, we're going to go over the bathroom area, but there's doors everywhere. Door to close off the main entryway, door to close off the bathroom, plus your own door to exit the camper. Just doors everywhere. Porcelain foot flush toilet inside this bathroom. 81 inches of ceiling height. Don't forget that, because here in the shower, you do have a slight step up to get into this 2-piece plastic shower. Clear glass surrounding this full radius 34 by 34 shower, but you have about an 8-inch step up to get in there. But once you're in there, you're going to have about a ceiling height of close to the 6'2", about midway inside of the dome there. But just still plenty of room to move about. And there's another door closing off the living area from everything else. It just really works. It flows flows nicely. Coming back around, I'm gonna give you a shot of this way. Medicine cabinet provided with some additional storage. Linen closet over here. Give you a shot of those. And this is pretty deep, maybe upwards of 2 feet deep there. Those press membrane countertops, and again, that's just a hard heated plastic wrapped over the Formica material. All around, not too bad of a coach. There are certain things that I think I would change and upgrade. Tell me in the comments down below what you guys think, but the date and time of making the video, MSRP of $59,296. Leave me a comment in the comment sections, leave me a thumbs up, they definitely do help. Like, subscribe, come see us.